Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be walking you through the main tools found on the Draw Toolbar in AutoCAD. These tools are what you'll use to create almost every shape or object in your drawing, from simple lines and circles to more complex forms. Let's get started. Line. The first tool is the line command. This is the most basic drawing tool in AutoCAD, and it's used to create straight line between 2 points. I'll click the line command, pick my starting point, and then click again where I want it to end. You can keep drawing connected lines or press enter to finish the command at any time. You'll use this tool in almost every drawing that you make. Construction line. The construction line, otherwise known as Xline, creates an infinite line that extends in both directions. It's not meant to be part of the actual drawing, but instead, it helps you to line up or align objects accurately. I'll click to set a start point, then a direction, and you'll see the line continues literally forever. These are great for setting up guides, layout, or even reference geometry. Polygon. The polygon tool is used to create shapes with 3 or more equal sides. When I click on the command, AutoCAD will ask me how many sides I want the polygon to have. Let's say 6 for an hexagon. Then I can choose whether to draw it inscribed, which is basically a polygon inside of a circle, or circumscribed, which is a polygon outside or around a circle. Once I click to place it, AutoCAD will create a perfect regular polygon. Now this tool is useful for creating nuts, bolts, or other geometrical parts. Rectangle. The rectangle tool creates a 4-sided shape with right angles. I'll click the rectangle command, pick one corner, then move diagonally to pick the other or the opposite corner. You can also type the exact length and width value for precision measurement. Rectangles are commonly used for walls, blocks, or other basic layout shapes. Arc. The arc tool lets you draw curved lines or portions of a circle. There are several methods to draw an arc. For example, you can specify 3 points or start and end point with radius. I'll use the 3-point method. Click the start point, a point along the curve, and then the end point. Arcs are great for fillet, curved edges, or even architectural openings. Circles. The circle tool is used to draw perfect circles. The most common method is by specifying the center and the radius. I'll click where I want the center to be, type the radius, and there's my circle. There are other options too, like by diameter, 2 points, or 3 points. This tool is essential for everything from ovals to circular parts. Donut. The donut command creates a fill ring or circular shape. When I select the tool, AutoCAD asks for the inside diameter and an outside diameter. I'll enter both values, then click where I want to place it. This is often used for holes, bolts, or symbols in mechanical drawing. Spline. The spline tool is used to draw smooth, freeform curves. I'll click several points to shape the curve, and AutoCAD creates a continuous flowing line through these points. It's great for organic shapes are parts that don't follow straight or circular geometry. Ellipse. The ellipse tool draws an oval shape. I'll start by picking the center, then the end point of an axis, and then the end point of the other. You can also specify a rotation if needed. Ellipses are useful for isometric views or when representing circular features at an angle. Block. The block tool allows you to group several objects into one unit that can be reused in your drawing. I'll select the object I want to give the block a name and choose a base point. Once it's created, I can insert the block anywhere as at any time as I like. Block helps to keep your drawing organized and reduce file size. Hatch. The hatch tool is used to fill a closed area with a pattern, solid color, or gradient. I'll click inside the shape, choose a hatch pattern from the menu, and adjust the scale if needed. Once I'll click to apply, the area will be filled automatically. This is great for showing materials, sections, or shading in your drawings. Boundary. Finally, the boundary tool. This creates a new object or region from an enclosed area. I'll select the command, click inside a closed space, and AutoCAD will automatically generate a single object outline. It's useful when you want to turn your several lines into one continuous shape. And that's it. Those are the main tools on the Draw toolbar in AutoCAD. Each one helps you to create different types of geometry, giving you full control when building your design or drawing from scratch. Try practicing each tool on a simple project so you can get a comfortable feel switching between them, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.